Welcome. Thank you for selecting this online course offered by Texas Community Supervision Alternatives. The course you selected is titled Cognitive Skills Level 2. You are starting with Module 1, which is the program introduction. To start, I'm going to give you some information about the general layout of the course. Each module will include a set of informational slides that you will be asked to move through by clicking the arrow key found on the right side of the slideshow. As you move through the slides, please take time to read and reflect on all materials offered on the slides. You will be required to take a quiz at the end of each module and pass each quiz with an average score of 70%. You will come to stop slides, which will direct you to worksheets and material reference buttons right above the slideshow. Stop slides may also direct you to learning link buttons, which are blue and located directly under the slideshow. In order for you to gain full benefit from the course, it is important that you view and reflect on all learning links. It is also important that you complete all forms as guided to do so. Remember that you must save your completed worksheets on your computer or device. You will be asked to upload these completed worksheets when taking the module quiz. When you come to the end of the module slideshow presentation, you will be asked to complete the module quiz. The module quiz button is located toward the bottom of the course screen. You must complete all work and make a 70% on the module quiz to advance to the next module. Modules will need to be completed in numbered order. This program has a total of 8 modules. Let's move on to an introduction about course content and what you can expect to learn. To start with, the word cognitive. Cognitive is a fancy word that means thinking and thought process. So this course is going to focus on helping you pay attention to your thoughts and evaluate which are healthy and helpful versus those thoughts which are unhealthy and prevent you from accomplishing and maintaining those things that are important to you. You will learn the cognitive model and use thinking check-ins to work through this model, evaluating situations and patterns of thinking which have caused you difficulty. You will have the opportunity to challenge that hurtful thinking with more productive thinking. The cognitive model is pretty simple, but can be very empowering for those wishing to make and maintain healthy lifestyle changes. When faced with a situation, we as humans view that situation through a lens. This belief lens is built of our beliefs, which were developed from our unique past experiences and perceptions over a long period of time. This is why two people can be faced with similar situations and have very different thoughts and feelings. Your thoughts cause your feelings, also called emotions. The driving concept of this cognitive program is that you can manage your thoughts to better manage your emotions as well as to better direct your choices. This is a pretty empowering technique. For this to work, you must take responsibility for your thinking and choices that have caused you trouble. When you do this, you may be empowered to evaluate and change those thoughts and behaviors. More to come on this during Module 3. We have categorized unhealthy, harmful thinking patterns into 12 areas called distortions that destroy. It can be helpful to know which patterns of thinking cause you the most trouble, so you may keep an eye out for those patterns, stop them as quickly as possible, and add more healthy and responsible thinking. Also, in Module 2, you will learn about tactics of destruction and how to avoid them. Tactics are behaviors. You can see and hear them. Tactics are best described as antisocial skills. When we use them, they chip away at the health and trust of relationships. They are used to avoid responsibility and accountability and to get things with little effort in irresponsible ways. More on tactics of destruction and distortions that destroy in Module 2. Each module is designed to help move you toward a more satisfying way of interacting with the others and establishing and maintaining a satisfying life. Let's get started. During Module 1, you will be sent to a Readiness to Change learning link. This link is designed to assist you in becoming open to and ready for healthy changes. If you have any questions and/or need any help while working on this course, you may use the Contact Lesson Teacher button toward the top of your course. Please note that you will be able to view and print your certificate of completion after all of your written responses on quizzes and worksheets are reviewed and approved. Remember, your work will be locked for review after completion of Modules 3, 6, and 8. Please return to the informational slideshow for Module 1 and review at this time.